बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अल्लाहुम्मा सल्ली अला मुहम्मद व आलि मुहम्मद व अज्जिल फरज आलि मुहम्मद. Last time we have studied contrary, uh, controrotatory and disrotatory motion of orbitals in the it is extension. We have studied already controrotatory and disrotatory motion of orbitals in ring closing system. Now we are studying in ring opening system. This maybe in ring opening system like this. This is 1,4-dimethyl 2-cyclobutadiene. This is one carbon. This is CH3 CH. One carbon. 2 carbon, 3 carbon and 4 carbon. These two carbons are attached with each other. This is the cyclobutadiene, but at 1 carbon and 4 carbon methyl groups are attached. It is 1,4-dimethyl 2-cyclobutadiene. Now this orbital rotates and rehybridized. This orbital also rotates and rehybridized. Now these orbitals are rotating in the same direction. In the same direction, it is the clockwise rotation. Now this is p prime. This lobe is of p orbital is written as p prime, and this is also p prime. So p prime and this is p prime. These rehybridized. These were the sp2 hybridized. Here these are sp3 hybridized. This is also sp3 hybridized. These are sp2 and sp2 hybridized already. So this since these rotate in the same direction, so therefore it is the controrotatory motion of orbitals. We can represent in another way. This is also a way to represent it. This is one carbon, 2, 3, 4 and 4 carbon, and 1, 2, 3 and 4 carbon. This is methyl on 1 carbon and methyl on 4 carbon is attached. So this is also 1,4-dimethyl. Similarly, this is the another fashion. This is another form to express it. To 2-cyclobutadiene. Now this orbital rotate in the same direction. This is also rotate in the clockwise rotation. This is p prime and this is p prime. To p prime, this is p prime and this is the p prime. So this will become sp2 hybridized. This will also become sp2 hybridized. This orbital will hybridize, and these overlap with the 2 carbon, 1, 2 and 3 carbon. Like this is 1 carbon, 2 carbon, 3 carbon, 4, 5 and 6. It is the 2,4-hexadiene. So it is 2,4-hexadiene. This will overlap with the 3 carbon atom. This 3 and 2 and 3 will overlap, and 4 and 5 carbon will overlap their orbital in the parallel fashion. So this is the controrotatory motion. And similarly, this is डिसरोटेटरी मोशन हम ऑलरेडी भी पढ़ चुके हैं, लेकिन ये रिंग ओपनिंग रिएक्शन है. तो डिसरोटेटरी मोशन, ये ऑर्बिटल जो है ये रीहाइब्रिडाइज्ड एंड रोटेट इन द एंटी क्लॉकवाइज. दिस इज क्लॉकवाइज रोटेटिंग. तो व्हेन दिस रोटेट द एंटी क्लॉकवाइज, दिस इज p prime is here and this is p prime, so this p prime will be come here. So this is disrotatory motion. This carbon will be bonded with this carbon, means 2 carbon will be bonded with the 3 carbon and 4 carbon with the 5 carbon. See, this is 2,4-hexadiene. Simple hai. It is the disrotatory motion of orbital. It is the controrotatory motion of orbital in this. Only this is the difference. We can also express in this form. These are the methyl group and hydrogen. This is cyclobutadiene. This is the cyclo 1,4-dimethyl 2-cyclobutadiene. This is the cyclobutadiene. Methyl group is attached on 1 and 4 carbon. This orbital rotate in the clockwise. This will rotate in the anti-clockwise. This p prime is here, and this is p prime. So p prime will become upward. This methyl group, this is the hydrogen, this is methyl group and this is hydrogen. Now 2 and 3 carbon, 4 and 5 carbon will parallelly overlap. Pi bond will be formed. Here sigma bond is lost, pi bond is formed. Actually in this ring opening or ring closing reactions, sigma bond is lost and pi bond is formed, or pi bond is lost and sigma bond is formed to form a ring. तो substituents rotate in the same direction in the counter-rotatory motion. In counter-rotatory motion, substituents rotate in the same direction. In dis-rotatory motion, substituents rotate in the opposite direction. अब इलेक्ट्रोलाइटिक रिएक्शंस क्या हैं? ये वो रिएक्शन है जो थर्मल या फोटोकेमिकल रिएक्शन है, थर्मली या फोटोकेमिकली इंड्यूस्ड रिएक्शन, जिसमें आप हीट करते हैं या लाइट फेंकते हैं, ये लाइट की मौजूदगी में होते हैं या हीट की मौजूदगी में, और दीज आर द रिवर्सिबल रिएक्शन। ये सारे जो हैं ये इलेक्ट्रोलाइटिक रिएक्शन है। क्लोजिंग रिएक्शंस, रिंग ओपनिंग और रिंग क्लोजिंग रिएक्शंस इन विच इन्वॉल्व द ओपन चेन कॉन्जुगेट सिस्टम, जिनमें लाजमी तौर पर एक ओपन चेन, जैसे ये ओपन चेन कॉन्जुगेट सिस्टम है, ओपन चेन कॉन्जुगेट सिस्टम है, लाजमी तौर पर रिएक्टेंट या प्रोडक्ट में से एक ओपन चेन कॉन्जुगेट सिस्टम होना ज़रूरी है। मीन के इसमें कॉन्जुगेटेड पॉलीइन का होना ज़रूरी है। कॉन्जुगेट सिस्टम का मतलब होता है अल्टरनेट, डबल और सिंगल बॉन्ड। कॉन्जुगेट एज रिएक्टेंट आर द प्रोडक्ट इज कॉल्ड इलेक्ट्रोलाइटिक रिएक्शन। Thermal or photochemically induced reversible ring opening or ring closing reactions which involve the open chain conjugate system as a reactant are the product. Open mean के polyene जो है conjugated polyene is involved is called electrolytic reaction. Ring is formed by loss of pi bond and formation of sigma bond, or ring is lost by formation of pi bond एंड लॉस ऑफ सिग्मा बॉन्ड। या तो जैसे ये रिएक्शन हमने देखे हैं इलेक्ट्रोलाइटिक रिएक्शन में, सिग्मा बॉन्ड लॉस हो जाता है, पाई बॉन्ड, ये दोनों पाई बॉन्ड बन गया, एक पाई बॉन्ड, इसमें एक पाई बॉन्ड था, इसमें दो हैं। या फिर जब रिवर्सिबली आएगा तो इसमें पाई बॉन्ड लॉस हो जाएगा और सिग्मा बॉन्ड बन जाएगा, ये दोनों कार्बन रिंग की शक्ल में अटैच हों। तो रिंग इज लास्ट, जो रिंग है वो लॉस हो जाती है बाई फॉर्मेशन ऑफ पाई बॉन्ड एंड लॉस ऑफ सिग्मा बॉन्ड। या फिर रिंग इज फॉर्म्ड बाई फॉर्मेशन ऑफ सिग्मा बॉन्ड एंड लॉस ऑफ पाई बॉन्ड। It means electrolytic reaction involve interconversion of cycloalkene into conjugated polyene. This is the conjugated polyene, this is the cycloalkene. So cycloalkene is converted into the conjugated polyene, or polyene is converted into the cycloalkene. So electrolytic reaction involve the interconversion of cycloalkene and कॉन्जुगेटेड पॉलीइन। नेक्स्ट इंशाल्लाह इसकी बाकी डिटेल। तो ये थे बेटे इलेक्ट्रोलाइटिक रिएक्शंस और ये कॉन्ट्रोटेटरी और डिसरोटेटरी मोशन। थैंक यू, अल्लाह हाफिज़। अल्लाहुम्मा सल्ली अला मुहम्मद व आले मुहम्मद व अज्जिल फरज आले मुहम्मद।